My name is Stephanie Sanchez, and here's my audience. Just like Mrs. Manson. Alrighty, we're going to go in the kitchen where you can see me. Hello there, my name is Stephanie Sanchez, and my purpose is to persuade and to show the audience why we need to make a stand to fight and save our rainforest from extinction. Throughout time, human beings have cut down the rainforest on our planet, depleting species, plants, and tribes of the rainforest. The title of my paper is Save Our Rainforests. We need the rainforest for fresh water and clean air. The sources have described the rainforest as the lungs of our planet because the rainforests recycle carbon dioxide into oxygen. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. There's a little fact for you. The life within the rainforest consists of more than half of the world's species. There are 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects. There are short 100 prescription drugs, and they are sold around the world that derive from the rainforest plants. We are running out of these plants, though. That can be a problem. The U.S. Cancer Institute has identified 3,000 plants that are active against cancer cells. 70% of the plants that are found in the rainforest, according to the U.S. Cancer Institute, and then 25% of active ingredients in today's cancer-fighting drugs come from organisms found in the rainforest. One of the most powerful anti-cancer drugs is called vincristine, which is found in a rainforest plant called the periwinkle. Vincristine has prolonged lives of acute childhood leukemia. The rainforests are located in Central America, the Amazon, Africa, Southern Asia, and many more remote places. Long ago, rainforests covered 14% of our planet. Now they cover 6%. Scientists say, estimated about 40 years, most of our rainforests will be depleted and used up, unless we do something about it now. Every second, 1.5 acres are lost of our rainforest. Every day, experts estimate that we lose 137 species of plants, animals, and insects. The corporate monsters clear our rainforest with their money-hungry bulldozers and fires are some as follows: Mitsubishi Corporation, Georgia Pacific, Texaco, Unical, and there are many more. These are movements that spread despair throughout our rainforests. Is there hope? Hope is all we have. And it's all you have. So rather than crying about it, anything I can do or what we can all do together, we should do something about this, help spread our knowledge. Maybe we can change this, increase the livelihood of our rainforest, and that will help us as well. The tribes within the Amazonian used to come about 10 million. Indians now it's less than 200,000. Many have died of disease from the suits, quote unquote, they call them, coming into their forests with the European diseases. Many have had to move their tribes and relocate due to industrial havoc. I don't know what will happen to these tribes. Many medicine men die and leave small traces of the knowledge passed on from ancestries of medicine. Medicinal knowledge is the most important thing because that gives us cures for our cancer over here also as well. What can we do to save the rainforest? A lot. Don't give up. You have to use less paper. You have to eat less red meat from the rainforest. Here's where I'll show you. Okay, so the rainforest, should we go in the kitchen? The rainforest, what can we do to save them? Learn about them. Once we understand them, we can pass our knowledge to others and write letters. We can write letters to congressional representatives. This can influence those that have power to encourage discussions on rainforests. Recycle. We need to recycle plastic, aluminum, cardboard, and paper. Stop illegal trade of animals and plants. This leads to endangered species. The animals and plants that are endangered, which I'll tell you afterwards, are the ones you need to watch out for at pet stores. When you take these animals from the pet stores, you are decreasing the species from where they're located. So you're promoting that, so to speak, without realizing it. So stop eating red meat. You don't have to stop eating red meat altogether. I say yes, but I would tell you don't eat red meat from the rainforests, because most of the cutting down the rainforest, they are producing cattle over there. That's why they're doing this, because it's cheap over there. Think globally. Just because rainforest only covers 6% of your planet, they have an effect on all of us. So think about that. Here's a little count, okay? Okay, bulldozers. They go through, take down all the trees. They set fires to clear the land. Clear cutting, whatever they need to do. Okay, so over here, this is the rainforest. This is what's a little bit left. They are burning, they're getting closer. They set fires to clear land for cattle farming, and they sell the wood for furniture. Okay, these are like very, very potent medicines in these plants and everything in the organisms. We need these. Medicine, cures for cancer, fresh water, and oxygen. Many species are sold in legal trade. Species become extinct. Animals run for their lives, try to find somewhere else to live, or they die. The tribes relocate, and they suffer from the consequences of the industrial greed. Please think about this for the sake of our planet. Listen, learn, make change happen today. Here's a little tree that says, help me, help you. But once we learn about these, we can teach each other. And we can know. Knowledge is your biggest power that you have. Now we're going to start our Q&A.
Where can we obtain more information on saving the rainforests?
You can obtain more information on the internet or at your local library.
Should we stop eating all red meat?
Yes, but I can't make everyone stop. But don't eat red meat from the rainforest. What you can do is look up at your grocer, ask your grocer, do they serve where the red meat comes from? You can call around and find out. Look on the internet, do your research. Trust me, it'll go a long way. Anybody else?
What types of animals are part of the illegal trade that is becoming extinct?
There are certain kind of parakeets, parrots, pythons, insects, plants. So there are so many plants and animals and species out there that we cannot reach over here. So when they go over there and they clear the land, they take whatever's on it that's alive, they bring it over here if it lives and sell it. So that means they're decreasing more species over there. So here's my audience, and I'll pan you guys real quick. There we go. Thank you very, very much. All right. Thank you. That was my speech. I hope that I answered all of your questions, and I hope that I can make some change through this speech today. Thank you very much.